Hello to the best audience of Twinkle Thomas Food TV. Today we're going to make some oatmeal cookies, for which we need oatmeal, we need bananas and some chocolate. And for the beginning of preparing these cookies, we need to squeeze the banana into with the help of the fork. And whenever done, let's add this to the oatmeal. This is a very easy recipe and you can do it very fast. Mix these two ingredients together. And whenever done, let's add some chocolate into this. You can use any type of chocolate that you have under your hands at home or you have bought. And whenever ready, you can make some rounds with the help of 2 tablespoons and work a little bit with these ones, and then whenever ready, you'll be ready to cook it in the oven. And here it is, ready to be tasted. We hope you've liked this easy recipe. Good appetite!